Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from Sunfield Flippers. We're going to bust open two Optic 2020-2021 basketball Donruss hanger boxes. We got 4 of them here today. And obviously we're looking for Ant-Man, Tyreek's Maxey, Halliburton. Any color, any foil we will take. We picked these up at the local Meijer here in Michigan. So let's get started. And open these up, get them all out of here. And again, I got 4 hanger boxes. Our Meijer actually has quite a bit of this 2021 Optic, so good chance that it's some Ant-Man color before the season starts. And his stuff starts to skyrocket. Yeah, these are $18 a pack, so not too bad. Kind of a cheap way to chase some Ant-Man or a nice Maxey. And again, you get 3 packs per hanger. So let's pop these bad boys open and see what we can do. Julius Randle, and I think everyone has a purple, so obviously we need a purple rated rookie Ant-Man. So Julius Randle, KD. And a first rated rookie is Nick Richards, and purple Kyrie Express Lane. Next pack. D. Russell, Thomas Bryant, Paul Millsap, and not a rated rookie foil, but LeBron James foil. We'll take that. LeBron James Lakers Prism foil. Pack 3. Marvin Bagley, Brandon Clark, Ja Morant, and another insert foil. Ooh, a Luka My House. Luka My House purple. Not numbered. We'll take that. Box number 2. Again, we're just trying to get that any Ant-Man color. And if it's clean, I'm gonna send it in and hopefully have it back from PSA by the end of the season. Bogdanovich, Pascal, Oduke Azubuike. Oh, nope. And we got Trey Jones. So, we got a rated rookie blue, but Trey Jones. So again, they're purple, blue. I don't know. I got one eye right now, so. Bam Adebayo, Kevin Love for Cleveland, PJ Washington, and looks like a T-, Jamal Murray. Oh, that is so off center. Holy, look at that. LaMarcus Aldridge, Rudy Gobert, and Okongwu, however you say it, rated rookie, And a My House Steph Curry. Yeah, these are all off-centered. Left, right, and top to bottom. That's crazy. Those are miscut. Pack number 6. Come on, where's the Ant-Man? Hardaway. Jokic. And Precious Achiuwa, rated rookie. And a Tatum My House. That looks a little better centering. Alright, box number 3. Bagley. Ben Simmons. Oh, we got a blue. Is that Ant-Man? Nope. Josh Green. And a Caruso blue. Purple. Sorry. Purple. Brandon Clark. Andrew Wiggins. Jade McDaniels. Rated rookie base. And a Donovan Mitchell T-. Alright, last 3 packs, last box. No Ant-Man yet. Come on, let's go, Ant. Porzingis. Hardaway. Aaron Gordon. And a Jamal Murray splash. Purple. Another Jokic base. Mikal Bridges. Purple. Is this? Nope. Ramsey. Rookie. And a cat. Karl Anthony Towns. Purple. Alright, last pack. Come on, 4 boxes. We got to get one Ant-Man, even a base. Let's go. Let's see some color here. Devontae Graham. Oladipo. Nope. Darius Garland. And a T- Giannis. T- Giannis base. Again, off-centered. So, that'll do it. So, 4 hanger boxes. No Ant-Man, not even a base, but that's how it goes. We'll stop by there again next week and maybe grab some more. There's got to be an Ant-Man color sitting there somewhere. So our major hits out of the 4 boxes would be a Trey Jones purple, Luka My House purple, and a LeBron foil. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back next week.